Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Amira in 2028. Today I'm going to show how the Tic-Tac-Toe game works and I'm going to explain the coding. This is firstly I run the Python runner.py to run the Tic-Tac-Toe game, and this is the Tic-Tac-Toe program. There are two options. Either you want to play as X or play as O. If you play as X, you move first, but if you play as O, the computer move first, the AI player move first. So I'm going to play as X. And then you. This one, both player um, win, tie for each other. Then I'm going to try play as O. The AI player move first. Then I move. X win over O, and that's all how the Tic-Tac-Toe game works. Next one, I'm going to explain on the coding explanation. This coding is an implementation of the Minimax algorithm for playing Tic-Tac-Toe. There are few key parts in the coding. The first one is board representation. First, the Tic-Tac-Toe board is represented as 3 times the 3 grid. Then there are two players represent, which are X and O. Then empty, which represents an empty cell on the board. Next, second one is function. There are few function in the coding, which is first one is initial state. It functions to initialize an empty tic-tac-toe board, then player board, to determine which player's turn it is based on the current state of the board. Then actions board, it return a set of all possible action in empty cells on the board. Then result board action, given a board and an action, a move. It returns the new board state after making that move. Then winner board, it determines the winner of the game, either X or O or none if the game is still ongoing. And then terminal board checks if the game is over, returns true if there's a winner, or if the board is full, otherwise returns false. Then utility board returns the utility value of the board. It's 1 if X 1, -1 if O 1, and O otherwise. Then minimax board defines the optimal move for the current player using minimax algorithm. Last one is max value board and min value board. These functions are part of the minimax algorithm. They recursively evaluate the possible outcome of move to find the best move for the maximizing player, which is X, and the minimizing player, which is O, respectively. And then next one is the third one is minimax algorithm. The minimax algorithm is a recursive algorithm that explore all possible moves in the game tree, which assign a score to each possible outcome. It assumes both players play optimally. The max value function is used for the X, which is maximizing player, and min value is used for O, which is minimizing player. The algorithm determines the best move for the current player by consider the possible outcome of each move and choose only one that leads to highest or lower score. Depend on whether it's X or O turn. Then the last one is usage. The minimax function is called to find the optimal move for the current player. To summarize, this coding provide a very simple implementation of a tic-tac-toe game with an AI opponent using minimax algorithm to make optimal move. Thank you. That's all from me.